TravelLink is a suite of services that streams useful information into your vehicle's navigation system. TravelLink is included for a period of time from the original sale date of the vehicle. To access SiriusXM TravelLink functions, touch Info on the launch bar and then touch the service you would like to view. When you subscribe to SiriusXM TravelLink, you will receive the following services. SXM Weather gives you access to national and local weather information, including temperature, humidity, wind speed, a 5-day forecast, and weather maps. SXM Sports Scores displays in-game and final scores, as well as weekly schedules for all your favorite sports. SXM Fuel Prices shows you detailed fuel price information for the area you are traveling through. SXM Parking displays nearby parking locations, hours of operation, and amenities information for the current location. SXM Movie Listings allows you to see detailed information about what's playing locally or nationwide. Service availability varies by vehicle and model. A SiriusXM TravelLink subscription is required to use these features. For more information, please visit this website. Please see your Nissan Connect owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.